Good day, class. How are you doing? I'm fine. So, I hope you are excited to be in class today. Alright, that's good. Okay, today our topic is money. We started a series on money, but we'll be looking at profit and loss. What do I call it?
Profit
And loss. But before I go into the topic, I would like to tell us a story. Last week Saturday, I was in the market to get a shoe. But after getting the shoe, I got home and I discovered I don't like the color of the shoe. I bought the shoe for 2,000 naira. But because I don't like that shoe, I had to sell it to a friend for 1,500 naira. So from my story, I want us to define some key terms that has to do with profit and loss. The first thing we'll be looking at is the cost price. What do I call it?
Cost price.
Cost price. That is the amount of money you pay when you buy an item. Like the shoe I bought, I paid 2,000 naira. So that 2,000 naira is my cost price. 2,000 naira is my cost price. Remember I said I sold it to a friend for 1,500 naira. That 1,500 naira is my selling price. What do I call it? Selling price. So selling price is the amount of money that you sell your item for. Do we understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so with that, we can now look at what profit and loss is. Now, for my shoe that I sold for 1,500 naira, if you look at it, have I gained more money or I've lost money? I lost money, so that's a loss for me. So I'm going to calculate my loss by saying my cost price minus my selling price. Do we get that? So cost price minus selling price will give me my loss. Do we get that? So my loss is going to be my cost price minus selling price. But if I'm still going to use that shoe as an example, I bought it for 2,000 naira and I sell it for 2,500 naira. Have I gained more money or I've lost money? I've gained more because it was 2,000 naira I bought it for and I'm selling for 2,500. So I have gained how much? 500 naira. So that 500 naira is my profit or my gain. You can call it profit or you call it gain. So my profit is going to be my selling price minus my cost price. Do we get that? Okay, so with my story now, you can see that we have been able to define four major terms. We've talked about the cost price, which is the amount that I use in purchasing or buying whatever item I have bought. That is my cost price. And then when I sell it, the amount I'm selling it for is my selling price. If my selling price is greater than my cost price, then it becomes a profit. But when my cost price is bigger than my selling price, then it is a loss. Esther, can you tell us what cost price is?
The cost price is the amount that you bought a product.
Okay, the amount you pay when you buy a product. Beautiful, you can have your seat. Alright, fair on me. If my cost price is greater than my selling price, what do I call that? It's greater than the selling price. Is a loss. Beautiful. Ike, when my selling price is greater than my cost price, what is that? It's a profit. That's very beautiful. So please, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Beautiful. That means we understand the topic. So I'm going to give you some classwork to do now.
Welcome to County Crest School, Mowe, Ogun State, a citadel of learning where God helps us to make learning fun and natural for your child.